Hi, welcome to Learn to Create a Design System series. This is part 3, Numbers and Spacing. Let's dive in. So what I have here for you in this Figma file is the how-to steps of how to set up your primitive collection as well as your semantic collection in regards to number variables, and then how to apply that to your designs. And on this frame here, you have an example of how spacing is set up within your variables, how padding is set up, and how corner radius is set up with the naming convention from 3XS to 3XL under spacing, and how it's aliased within your variables to the primitive collection. So primitive, again, it's under your variables. It's at the very basic level what you're going to be using throughout your semantic roles that exist within your design, like your padding, your spacing, and your corner radius that you'll see under the semantic collection setup here. Now you can dive into your grids, and at a grid level you can also add in your variable spacing. So I have these grids set up here. If you click into your web grid under the properties, you can see in the gutter that this is set up to your extra large spacing variable. And when you click on the frame itself, you can add that layout grid in here if you need to see that. And do the same with mobile and iPad and apply the according variables. We also have a design example here that showcases all the variables that are already attributed within this design here. So if you click into one of these, you'll see that all these variables is already attached. The padding medium is attached here, as well as 12, etc. You can see that all set up within here. And then to showcase an example, I've created a component here that lives on this screen within the cart, and this is your cart item component. And I've created a separate collection under variables to showcase how modes work within the variables. So this is named container padding, and within that we have our container horizontal padding as small, medium, and large. And then you can add modes with this plus icon here to add various sizes. So what we have here is alias to our padding extra small, padding medium, and padding large. And now that we have that set up, you can see that at the container level, this is attached right here under horizontal padding. We've attached that, and now under the appearance panel you can swap them from small, medium, and large, and you see that the spacing increases and decreases as you alter these variable themes and appearances. So if you want to get a hang of number variables, understand how to implement them and apply them, feel free to download this file in the description below.